Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 is feeling dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This lag can be frustrating and is often due to a failing hard drive or insufficient memory. If left unaddressed, performance issues can worsen, leading to potential data loss or complete failure of the device. To get started with our repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a replacement hard drive. First, let's open the device safely. Begin by turning off your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 and disconnecting it from any power source. Place it on a soft, static-free surface. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Remember to keep them safe, as you'll need them later. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back is removed, you will see the hard drive located in a dedicated slot. To confirm the hard drive is the issue, check for any unusual sounds or excessive heat. If it appears faulty, we can proceed to extract it. Gently disconnect the hard drive connector, then unscrew the mounting bracket holding the drive in place. Use just enough force to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once the old hard drive is free, take your new drive and slide it into the slot, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the hard drive connector, ensuring it's firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, let's close the device back up. Align the back cover and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws and ensure they're tightened securely. To verify that everything is working correctly, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 and check the system performance. You should notice a significant improvement. To prevent your device from becoming slow again, consider regularly checking for software updates and performing routine maintenance such as disk cleanups. Additionally, ensure that you have adequate RAM for your usage needs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.